Hey everyone, my name is Peter Mazza. I'm a New York City jazz guitarist and guitar teacher, and I'm really excited to get to present my first ever online workshop for the Old Town School of Folk and Jazz through Tony Do Rosario. Thanks, Tony. This workshop is going to be about rhythm, and as I demonstrated just a minute over the last few minutes, starting with some real classic swing rhythms and then going into some more modern or contemporary rhythms where I'm doing odd groupings over this even 4/4 track of 2/5/3/6. So rhythm fuels so much of everything, whether you love harmony and arranging or playing fast lines. I mean, when you have your rhythm balanced with your harmonic and melodic knowledge, you can really play to your fullest, since jazz is so driven by different kinds of swing, you know, across the span of the history of the music. So we're going to get into that in a 2-hour workshop. So please click on the link provided here to buy a ticket. This is a one-time only workshop from 3 to 5 Central Time in Chicago, where the school is, and 4 to 6 in Eastern Standard Time p.m. on October 25th, which is a Sunday. So I will be raffling off a copy of Harmonic Supernova for Jazz, my first and only course on True Fire. So it's 3 hours of content of all kinds of stuff on harmony and chords and stuff. But again, this workshop is going to focus on rhythm and meter and tempo and groove. And so please join me and come introduce yourself and let me offer you some of the things I've learned over about 25 or 30 years playing professionally and teaching professionally on rhythm.